What is up everyone? In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix screen dimming in Realme C75x. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option display and brightness. Now click on it. First of all, if you turn on your auto brightness, then turn it off. After turn off your auto brightness, then turn off your dark mode. Now here you can see your dark mode. If you turn on your dark mode, then turn it off. After turn off your dark mode, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.